course, we have Pastoner, the Baile Baton from Llorenzo Panadero. They have come here to Las Roquetas del Garage in the first Big Dance Day to be celebrated in the Panadero region. We are just one out of 30 colliers. They have been in a parade in a Circadilla, dancing, walking through the town, and now we're all up at Plaza de l'Ajuntament, where there will be a final dance performance with all these people. So there's 400 people in total that come to Las Roquetas to show their skills in 6,000. This is Catalonia 2009.